Hello everyone, welcome back to God's Fast English. So today we are going to learn 100 English vocabularies. So uyu munsi tugiye kwiga vocabularies zigera ku ijana. But before we get started, I would like to let you know this secret. Nshaka ko umenya iri banga ryo gufata vocabularies. Hari igihe ufata vocabularies ugasanga nyuma y'igihe gitoya ugasanga vocabularies wamaze kuzibagirwa kubera gukora iki kintu ngiye kukubwira. So hari igihe umuntu usanga yafashe like nk'ipapuro byinshi vocabularies ugasanga yafashe vocabularies hano ugasanga hano yazisize mu Kinyarwanda ugasanga yafashe like to eat akandikaho ko bisobanura mu Kinyarwanda ngo kurya, to do gukora, playground ikibuga, ugasanga nubwo buryo agenda yigamo vocabularies gusa ubwo buryo burakwangiza, ubwo buryo ntago ari bwo butuma ufata vocabularies. Uburyo bwiza bugufasha kumenya neza vocabularies ni ubu buryo bukurikira. Ni uburyo bwo kwiga iki, bwo kwiga vocabularies ukoresheje interuro, kwiga vocabularies mu nteruro. Urugero niba ushaka kwiga verb to eat uravuga ngo I eat potatoes on Friday. I eat potatoes on Friday. Njya ndya ibijumba kuwa gatanu. I do sports every day. Njya nkora siporo buri munsi. I do sports every day. Ugasanga ufashe ijambo to work bikaba ryanditse aho ngaho, hari n'ikinyarwanda cyaryo aho ngaho, kumva ko ubwo buryo aribwo buzagufasha kwiga vocabularies. So niba ushaka kwiga ijambo to work ikoreshe mu nteruro. I work for this company. Nkorera iyi company. I work full time. Nkora umunsi wose. Ubwo nibwo buryo bwiza bwo kwigamo vocabularies, ari nabwo tugiye gukoresha twigamo aya vocabularies yose agera ku ijana. Ikindi kintu kiri buze kugufasha, hari igihe wisanga ushobora kumva Icyongereza ariko byagera mu kukivuga bikanga. Impamvu ni ukubera ko iyo uri kwiga Icyongereza usanga uri kwiga Icyongereza ureba gusa, that training your mouth, that training umunwa wawe kuvuga. So ugasanga uri kureba gusa like ntago uri gutoza umunwa wawe kuvuga. So nturebe gusa aya vocabularies tugiye kwiga, nturebe gusa ahubwo ujye no subiramo kugira ngo ukomeze gutoza umunwa wawe kuvuga Icyongereza. So without talking too much, let's get started. Make gukora. She makes a cake every Sunday. Akora keke buri ku cyumweru. They made a beautiful table from wood. Bakoze imeza nziza ikozwe mu biti. Walk kugenda n'amaguru. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. Njya ku ishuri buri munsi n'amaguru. He walked slowly across the road. Yagiye gahoro gahoro yambuka umuhanda. He walked slowly across the road. Yagiye gake gake yambukiranya umuhanda. Bring kuzana. Please bring your book to class. Nyamuneka uzane igitabo cyawe muri class. She brought flowers to her mother. Yazaniye indabo mama we. Break kwangiza cyangwa se kumena. Be careful not to break the glass. Itonde utamena ikirahure. He broke his phone yesterday. Ejo yamennye telefoni ye ejo hashize. Draw gushushanya. She draws very well. Ashushanya neza. She draws very well. Ashushanya neza. He drew a house on the paper. He drew a house on the paper. Yashushanyije inzu ku rupapuro. Repair gusana. He repaired the broken chair. He repaired the broken chair. Yasannye intebe yavunitse. Yasannye intebe yavunitse. They are repairing the road. They are repairing the road. Bari gusana umuhanda. Ride gutwara. Gutwara nk'igare, ifarasi cyangwa se moto. She rides her bike to school. ajya atwara igare rye ajya ku ishuri, cyangwa se atwara igare rye ajya ku ishuri. He rode a horse yesterday. Ejo hashize yatwaye ifarasi. He rode a horse yesterday. Yatwaye ifarasi ejo hashize. Fly, kuguruka cyangwa se kugenda n'indege ujya mu kindi gihugu cyangwa se uva ahantu hamwe ujya ahandi. Birds fly in the sky. Inyoni ziguruka mu kirere. They flew to Kenya last week. They flew to Kenya last week. Bagiye n'indege muri Kenya icyumweru gishize. Bagiye n'indege muri Kenya icyumweru gishize, cyangwa se bagiye muri Kenya icyumweru gishize, gusa bagiye n'indege. Return, kugaruka. I will return tomorrow. I will return tomorrow. Nzagaruka ejo. She returned the book to the library. She returned the book to the library. Yagaruye igitabo mu isomero. Follow. Follow, gukurikira. Follow me to the classroom. Follow me to the classroom. Kurikira tujya muri class. Follow me to the classroom. The dog followed its owner. Imbwa yakurikiye nyirayo. The dog followed its owner. Imbwa yakurikiye nyirayo. Carry. Carry, gutwara. She carries her baby on her back. Ajya atwara umwana we mu mugongo. She carries her baby on her back. Ajya atwara umwana we mu mugongo. He carried a heavy bag. Yatwaye igikapu kiremereye. He carried a heavy bag. Yatwaye igikapu kiremereye. Swim, gusa nkaho cyangwa se kugaragara. She seems happy today. Asa n'uwishimye uyu munsi, cyangwa se agaragara nk'uwishimye uyu munsi. It seemed difficult at first. It seemed difficult at first. Bwa mbere byagaragaraga nk'ibikomeye. Byagaragaraga nk'ibikomeye bwa mbere. Hope, kwiringira. Hope, kwiringira. I hope you will pass the exam. I hope you will pass the exam. Ndiringira ko cyangwa se ndizera ko uzatsinda ikizami. They hoped for good weather. They hoped for good weather. Bizeye cyangwa se bari bizeye ikirere cyiza. Borrow. Borrow, gutira cyangwa se kuguza, guhereza umuntu amafaranga. May I borrow your pen? Ese nafata ikaramu yawe cyangwa may I borrow your pen? He borrowed money from his friend. Yagujije amafaranga inshuti ye. No kuvuga ngo iyo nshuti ye niyo yamuhaye amafaranga. Lend. Lend, kuguriza cyangwa se I will lend you my book. Nzagutiza igitabo cyanjye. I will lend you my book. Nzagutiza igitabo cyanjye. She lent him some money. Yamugurije amafaranga. She lent him some money. Yamugurije amafaranga. No kuvuga ngo lend ni opposite ya borrow. Turn. Turn no guhindura amerekezo. Turn left at the corner. Hindukirira ibumoso mu nguni. Turn left at the corner. At the corner, mu nguni. He turned his head quickly. Yahindukije umutwe we vuba. Yahindukije umutwe we vuba. To arrive. To arrive, kugera. The bus arrived late. The bus arrived late. Bisi yahageze itinze cyangwa se ikererewe. She arrived at school early. Yageze ku ishuri hakiri kare. She arrived at school early. Yageze ku ishuri hakiri kare. Climb, kurira. He climbed the tree. Yuriye igiti. He climbed the tree. Yuriye igiti. They are climbing the mountain. They are climbing the mountain. Bari kurira umusozi. Count, kubara. Count from 1 to 10. Bara kuva kuri 1 kugera ku 10. Count from 1 to 10. Bara kuva kuri 1 kugera ku 10. She counted the money carefully. She counted the money carefully. Yabaze amafaranga yitonze. Cover, gupfundikira. Gupfundikira. Cover the food with a lid. Cover the food with a lid. Pfundikira ibiryo ukoresheje umupfundikizo. Lid, a lid, umupfundikizo. Snow covered the ground. Snow covered the ground. Urubura rwapfundikiye hasi. Ni ukuvuga ngo urubura rwuzuranye hasi. Hasi ntaho hakigaragara kubera urubura rwari rwuzuye hejuru yo hasi. The snow cyangwa se snow covered the ground. Decide, guhitamo. Decide, guhitamo. I decided to study hard. Nahisemo kwiga cyane. I decided to study hard. Nahisemo kwiga cyane. They decided to travel tomorrow. They decided to travel tomorrow. Bahisemo gutembera ejo. Drop, guta cyangwa se kujugunya. She dropped her phone. Yataye telefoni ye. She dropped her phone. Yataye telefoni ye. He dropped the keys on the floor. He dropped the keys on the floor. Yataye imfunguzo ze hasi. On the floor, hasi. Fall, kugwa hasi. The leaves fall in summer. The leaves fall in the summer. Ibibabi bigwa mu gihe cy'izuba. He fell off the chair. Yaguye ku ntebe. Yaricaye ku ntebe aragwa. Tukagira na he fell on the chair. On the chair hari he fell on the chair and he fell off the chair. He fell off the chair. Yaguye yicaye ku ntebe. And he fell on the chair. Yaguye ku ntebe. Hide, guhisha. The child hid behind the door. The child hid behind the door. Umwana yihishe inyuma y'urugi. The child, umwana yihishe inyuma y'urugi. She hid her money in a bag. Yahishe amafaranga ye mu gikapu. She hid her money in a bag. Yahishe amafaranga ye mu gikapu. Leave, gusiga cyangwa se kugenda uva ahantu hamwe. She left the house early. Yavuye ku nzu hakiri kare. She left the house early. Yavuye ku nzu hakiri kare. They left Rwanda last year. They left Rwanda last year. Bavuye mu Rwanda umwaka ushize. Light, kwatsa cyangwa se gucana. He lit the candle. Yakije buji. He lit the candle. Yakije buji. Please light the lamp. Please light the lamp. Nyamuneka atsa itara. Measure, gupima. Measure the table with a ruler. Pima imeza ukoresheje irate. The nurse measured his height. Muganga cyangwa se umuforomo yapimye uburebure bwe. Notice, kumenya. I noticed a mistake in the book. Namenye ikosa riri mu gitabo. I noticed cyangwa se gutahura, natahuye ikosa riri mu gitabo. She noticed that he was sad. Yavumbuye ko cyangwa se yaje kumenya ko yari ababaye. She noticed that he was sad. Yavumbuye ko cyangwa se yaje kumenya ko yari ababaye. Offer, gutanga. He offered me some help. Yampaye ubufasha. She offered a piece of cake to her friend. Yahaye agace ka keke inshuti ye. Shout, gusakuza. Don't shout at your brother. Ntusakurize umuvandimwe wawe. She shouted for help. Yarasakuje asaba ubufasha. Sign, gusinya. Please sign the paper. Nyamuneka sinya urupapuro. Please sign the paper. Nyamuneka sinya urupapuro. He signed the contract yesterday. Yasinye kontara ejo hashize. Smile, kumwenyura. She smiled at the baby. Yamwenyuriye umwana. He smiled when his friend. Yaramwenyuye ubwo yabonaga inshuti ye. Hold, to keep something in your hands. Gufata ikintu. Fata ukuboko kwanjye. Hold my hand. Fata ukuboko kwanjye. He held the baby carefree. Heart, gukomereka. He hurt his leg. Yakomeretse ukuguru kwe. My head hurts today. Umutwe urandya uyu munsi. Smoke, kunywa itabi cyangwa se gusohora umwotsi cyangwa se gutanga umwotsi. The fire is smoking. Umuriro uri gusohora umwotsi. The factory smoke polluted the air. Umwotsi w'uruganda wahumanyije umwuka. Polluted the air. Solve, gushaka igisubizo ikibazo runaka cyangwa se gukemura. We must solve this problem together. Tugomba gukemurira hamwe iki kibazo. Throw, kujugunya. He threw the ball. Yajugunye umupira wo gukina. Please don't throw stones. Nyamuneka ntujugunye amabuye. Touch, gukora. Don't touch the fire. Ntukore umuriro. She touched his shoulder gently. She touched his shoulder gently. Yakoze ku bitugu bye yitonze. Yakoze ku bitugu bye yitonze. Type. Kwandika ukoresheje keyboard. She typed a message on her phone. Yanditse ubutumwa muri telefoni ye. He is typing a report. Ari kwandika raporo. He is typing a report. Ari kwandika raporo. Warn. Kuburira. The teacher warned the students. The teacher warned the students. Mwarimu yaburiye abanyeshuri. She warned him to be carefree. Yamubwira kwitonda. Yamuburiye. She warned him to be carefree. Yamuburiye amubwira kwitonda. Wonder. Wonder gutekereza. I wonder why she's late. Ndibaza impamvu yakererewe. Worry. Guhangayika. Don't worry about me. Ntumpangayikire. Don't worry about me. Ntumpangayikire. She worried about the exam. Yahangayikishijwe n'ikizami. She worried about the exam. Yahangayikishijwe n'ikizami. Bake. Bake. Kotsa. She baked a cake. Yokeje cake. My mother bakes bread every week. Mama wanjye yotsa umugati buri cyumweru. Mama wanjye yotsa umugati buri cyumweru. Bleed. Bleed. Kuva amaraso. His finger is bleeding. His finger is bleeding. Urutoki rwe ruri kuva amaraso. His finger is bleeding. Urutoki rwe ruri kuva amaraso. She bled after the accident. Yavuye amaraso nyuma ya accident cyangwa se nyuma y'impanuka yavuye amaraso. Blow. Guhuha. Blow out the candles. Huha uzimye buji. Blow out the candles. Huha uzimye buji. The wind blew strongly. Umuyaga wahushye cyane. Umuyaga wahushye cyane. The wind blew strongly. Umuyaga wahushye cyane. Celebrate. Kwizihiza cyangwa se kucelebra. Celebrate. They celebrated their victory. Celebrate intsinzi yabo cyangwa se bizihije intsinzi yabo. We celebrate Christmas every year. Twizihiza Noheri buri mwaka. Chase. Kwirukana cyangwa se kwirukanka inyuma y'umuntu runaka cyangwa se inyuma y'ikintu. The dog chased the cat. The dog chased the cat. Imbwa yirukankanye ipusi. He chased his dream. He chased his dream. Yirukanse ku nzozi. Clap. Gukoma amashyi. The audience clapped loudly. The audience clapped loudly. Audience yakomye amashyi cyane. Audience. She clapped for the winners. She clapped for the winners. Yakomeye amashyi abatsinze. For the winners. Confess. Confess ni ukwemera ko wakoze ibintu bitari byo cyangwa se kwemera ko wibeshye. He confessed the truth. He confessed the truth. Yemeye ukuri. She confessed that she lied. She confessed that she lied. Yemeye ko yabeshye. Consider. Consider gutekereza ku kintu. Please consider my idea. Nyamuneka tekereza ku gitekerezo cyanjye. They considered moving to another city. Batekereje kwimukira mu wundi mujyi. They considered moving to another city. Batekereje kwimukira mu wundi mujyi. Crash. Crash. Kugonga. The car crashed into a tree. The car crashed into a tree. Imodoka yagonze mu giti. Cross. Cross. Kwambuka. Look both ways before you cross the road. Reba impande zombi mbere yuko wambuka umuhanda. Reba iburyo n'ibumoso mbere yuko wambuka umuhanda. Look both ways. Reba mu nzira zombi before you cross the road. Mbere yuko wambuka umuhanda. They crossed the river. Bambutse iriba. They crossed the river. Bambutse iriba. The river. The river. The river. Gushira umuntu ikintu cyangwa se kujyana ikintu ugishiriye umuntu. Kujyana ikintu ahantu. John delivered the letter. John delivered the letter. John yajyanye iletere. She delivered a speech at school. Yatanze speech nziza. Yavuze ijambo ryiza. Yatanze ijambo ryiza. Cyangwa se yavuze imbwirwaruhame nziza. Yatanze imbwirwaruhame nziza ku ishuri. Deny. Deny. Guhakana. She denied breaking the glass. She denied breaking the glass. Yahakanye ko yamennye ikirahure. Yahakanye ko yamennye ikirahure. Discover. Discover. Kuvumbura. Scientists discovered a new planet. Umubumbe mushya. Bavumbuye umubumbe mushya. He discovered a mistake in his work. Yavumbuye ikosa mu murimo we cyangwa se mu kazi ke. Escape. Gucika. The thief escaped from prison. Igisambo cyacitse gereza. She escaped the fire safely. She escaped the fire safely. Yacitse umuriro amahoro. Exist. Exist. Kubaho. Dinosaurs no longer exist. Dinozoro ntizikibaho. Do ghosts really exist? Ese imizimu ibaho? Ese mu by'ukuri imizimu ibaho? Do ghosts really exist? Ese imizimu ibaho? Feed. Kugaburira. She feeds the baby every morning. Agaburira umwana buri mu gitondo. He fed the chickens yesterday. Yagaburiye inkoko ejo hashize. Fit. Fit gukwira. These shoes fit me well. These shoes fit me well. Izi nkweto zirankwira neza. The key fits the door. The key fits the door. Freeze. Freeze. Gukonja. The lake froze during winter. Gather. Gather. Guhuriza hamwe ibintu cyangwa se abantu. She gathered the books from the table. Yashize hamwe ibitabo ku meza. The family gathered for dinner. Umuryango wahuriye hamwe kugira ngo ufate ifunguro rya nimugoroba. hang, kumanika, hang. Hang your coat on the wall. Manika ikote ryawe ku kibambazi. She hung a picture in her room. Yamanitse ifoto mu cyumba cye. Include, include. The price includes breakfast. Igiciro kirimo n'ifunguro rya mu gitondo. This book includes many pictures. Iki gitabo kirimo amafoto menshi. This book includes many pictures. Inform, inform, kumenyesha. Please inform me about the meeting. Nyamuneka umenyeshe iby'inama, ibijyanye n'inama. She informed him of the changes. Yamumenyesheje impinduka. Kick, gukubita umugeri. Kick. The horse kicked him. The horse kicked him. Ifarasi yamukubise umugeri. Knock, knock, gukomanga. She knocked on the door. Yakomanze ku rugi. Land, land, kuza hasi nyuma yo kuba uri mu kirere. The plane landed safely. The plane landed safely. Indege yamanutse neza. Yamanutse neza. The bird landed on the tree. Inyoni yamanutse neza. Yamanutse neza igwa hejuru ku giti. Last, kumara. The movie lasts 2 hours. The movie lasts 2 hours. Filime ima amasaha abiri. Their friendship lasted many years. Ubushuti bwabo bwamaze imyaka myinshi. Laugh, guseka. She laughed at the joke. She laughed at the joke. Yasetse joke cyangwa se brag. They laughed loudly. Barasetse cyane cyangwa se basetse cyane. Lay, gushira ikintu hasi. She laid the baby on the bed. Yashize umwana ku gitanda. He laid the book on the table. Yashize igitabo ku meza. Let, kwemerera, guha uruhushya. Let me help you. Reka ngufashe. Let me help you. Reka ngufashe. Her parents let her go to the party. Ababyeyi be baramuretse ajya muri party. Cyangwa se bamwemereye kujya muri party. Ababyeyi bamwemereye kujya mu kirori. Lift, lift, guterura. He lifted the heavy box. He lifted the heavy box. Yateruye akabox karemereye. Yateruye akabox karemereye. She lifted her hand to ask a question. She lifted her hand to ask a question. Yazamuye ikiganza cye kugira ngo abaze ikibazo. Lock, gufunga. Please lock the door before you leave. Nyamuneka ufunge urugi mbere yuko ugenda. She locked her phone with a password. Yafunze telefoni ye akoresheje password. Lose, lose, gutsindwa cyangwa se gutakaza ikintu, kubura ikintu. Be careful not to lose your keys. Witonde udatakaza cyangwa se utabura imfunguzo. They lost the football match. Batsinzwe match. Batsinzwe match. Match y'umupira w'amaguru. Batsinzwe match y'umupira w'amaguru. Rower, lower, kugabanya. He lowered his voice, yagabanyije ijwi rye. To maintain, maintain, kurinda. They maintain school building well, barinda inyubako z'ishuri neza, barinda inyubako z'ishuri neza. It is important to maintain peace, ni iby'ingirakamaro kurinda amahoro. Melt, gushonga. Ice melts in the sun, urubura rurashonga ku zuba. Mind, kwita ku kintu. Do you mind if I sit here? Hari icyo byaba bigutwaye nicaye hano? Hari icyo byaba bigutwaye mbaye nicaye hano? She doesn't mind helping others. Ntacyo bimubwiye gufasha abandi. He doesn't mind. Cyangwa se ntabwo byitayeho gufasha abandi. She doesn't mind helping others. Ntacyo bimubwiye gufasha abandi. Occur, kubaho. The accident occurred at night. Accident yabaye nijoro. Cyangwa se accident yabaye nijoro. The problem occurred during the test. Ikibazo cyabayeho mu gihe cy'isuzuma. Overcome, gutsinda. She overcame her fear. Yatsinze ubwoba bwe. They overcame many challenges. Batsinze ibibazo byinshi. They overcame many challenges. Guheza umuntu ikintu. I owe him some money. Muha amafaranga. Paint, gusiga irangi. He painted the wall blue. Yasize ikibambazi ubururu. She's painting a picture. Ari gutera irangi ifoto. Pick, guhitamo cyangwa se gufata ikintu. Please pick a number. Nyamuneka hitamo umubare. She picked a flower from the garden. Yafashe ururabo mu busitani. Place, gushyira ikintu ahantu. Place the book on the table. Shira igitabo ku meza. He placed the cup near the window. Yashize igikombe hafi y'idirishya. Plant, gutera. They planted the trees in the village. Bateye ibiti mu mudugudu. Bateye ibiti mu cyaro. She planted the flowers in her garden. Yateye indabo mu busitani bwe. Please, to make someone happy. Gushimisha umuntu. She tried to please her parents. Yagerageje gushimisha ababyeyi be. The teacher was pleased with the students. Mwarimu yashimishijwe n'abanyeshuri. Point, gutunga urutoki cyangwa se kurangira. She pointed at the sky. Yamutungiye urutoki mu kirere. He pointed at the sky. Yamutungiye urutoki mu kirere cyangwa se yamweretse mu kirere. She pointed to the correct answer. Yamweretse cyangwa se yatunze urutoki ku gisubizo kiri cyo. Prove, kwerekana ko ikintu ari ukuri. She proved his Innocence, yerekanye ko ari umwere, yagaragaje ko ari umwere, yagaragaje ubwere bwe. She proved that she was right, yagaragaje ko yari mukuri, yagaragaje cyangwa se yahamije ko yari mukuri, kwerekana ikintu ko ari ukuri, to prove. Purchase, kugura, kugura ikintu. They purchased a new car, baguze imodoka nshyashya. I purchased a book online, naguze igitabo online. Quit, quit kureka cyangwa se guhagarika burundu. He quit his job, yaretse akazi. She quit playing football, yahagaritse gukina umupira. Race, race, gukompeta cyangwa se guhangana mu kwirukanka cyangwa se mu gutwara imodoka. They raced each other, barahanganye. Realize, realize, gusobanukirwa. I realized my mistake, namenye ikosa ryanjye cyangwa se nasobanukiwe ikosa ryanjye. She realized that she was late. She realized that she was late. She realized that she was late. Yasobanukiye ko, yamenye ko yari yakererewe. Yamenye ko yari yakererewe. Recognize, recognize, kumenya ikintu kubera ko yageze kukibonaho mbere. Ubwo muri make ni ukwibuka. I recognized his voice, nibutse ijwi rye. She recognized her old teacher, yibutse mwarimu we wa kera. Refuse, guhakana cyangwa se kwanga. He refused the offer, yanze ubusabe. She refused to answer the question, yanze gusubiza ikibazo. Regret, regret, kwicuza. He regretted his decision, yicujije umwanzuro we. She regrets telling the secret, yicuza kuvuga ukuri. Require, gukenera. This job requires experience, aka kazi gasaba uburambe. The form requires your signature, form isaba sinyatire yawe. Rescue, gutabara umuntu umukura mu byago. John rescued the child, John yatabaye umwana. They rescued the dog from the river, batabaye imbwa bayivana mu iriba. Rise, rise, kuzamura. The sun rises in the east, izuba. The sun rises in the east, iburasirazuba. Izuba rirasira iburasirazuba. Prices are rising quickly, rising quickly. Ibiciro biri kuzamuka vuba. This is the end of our today's session. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please you can do it right now so that you will never miss these coming sessions. So, thank you for watching.